up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Market Marauders, being in the market one trade at a time. For your Market Marauders investment channel, helps you to find the best deals in the market. That's something you're interested in. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. All right, so be giving you my top penny stocks. So let's jump into it. First one, we have ticker sign HOTH for Hoth Therapeutics. So today they touched $3.10. The market's still open. At the time of the video, they are currently at $2.35, and they are currently bullish, denoted about moving average 10 line, being above moving average 50 and 100, and VWAP is also above moving average 10. So for my indicators, those are two that I use to make sure that a stock is bullish or bearish. So one being VWAP is above moving average 10, the other one, moving average 10, being above moving average 50 and 100, which is this purple and yellow line on the chart. All right, so background information on them. What is driving this increase of growth today? So today they announced Hoth Therapeutics, a biopharmaceutical company. Today announced that it has signed a production agreement for both GLP and GMP materials associated with HT-001 with Tegus or Tergus Pharma and its novel cancer treatment drug, HT-001. This announcement follows the recent news that Hoth has requested a pre-investigational new drug meeting to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, to discuss proposed drug development program for the novel treatment. So basically, if they get this approval, this IND basically is going to, make the FDA look at it. It's basically a form you fill out. But if they get approval, I think this will be pretty big news for the company as a whole. The stock shot up to $3.10, but I think it still has potential to continue to go up, especially since both the indicators on the chart are met, as well as this is a cancer treatment. So, I mean, cancer's been around forever, so anything to make, cancer treatment and diagnosis better is always a positive thing moving forward. So definitely going to be looking at this to see some more updates come from them. And, as the updates come in on that IND that they're doing with the FDA, then I expect the stock to continue to go back up at least past this $3.10 level where it hit today. Next, we have ticker sign CAN. But before I go over that, if you're not a part of the Patreon group, make sure you check it out in the link down below in the description. I give daily watch lists as well as live streams. So if you're interested in learning about penny stocks, option trading, or just want to join a community of investors, you can join the group down below in the description. Next, we'll talk about ticker sign CAN for Canaan Incorporated. They did touch $6.30 today, and it seems like they've kind of gone down to this 573, which seems to be a kind of resistance for them. I'm looking for them to bounce off this 528 level, but the market is still open, so who knows where it's going to end on this level. Background information on them. Canaan, one of the things that kind of caught my eye about this company. It says Canaan Incorporated is a Bitcoin mining hardware manufacturer based in China. The company is the second largest designer and manufacturer of Bitcoin mining machines globally in terms of computer power in the 6 months ended January 30th of 2019, according to independent market research firm Frost & Sullivan. During the same period, its mining machines accounted for 21% of the combined power of all Bitcoin mining machines sold globally. So if we've seen Bitcoin basically has gone up 20 grand during 2020. Bitcoin mining, I think, is going to be something in 2021. People are going to, if they didn't already start Bitcoin mining, probably going to get into it or, start buying Bitcoin. But the whole cryptocurrency space, I think, is red hot. And I think people are going to go and jump into that. Bitcoin being the largest or most popular cryptocurrency that is out there, for this company to be doing Bitcoin mining and be one of the leaders back in 2019 for it. And have a 21% combined computer power for all the machines sold really speaks volumes for this company as a whole. So definitely going to keep them on watch list as crypto continues to grow into 2021. Next, we have ticker sign EBON for eBank International Holdings. They did touch $6.59 today, and then kind of went and hit the $6 resistance level, or where they've kind of fallen off. We can see it just went down to $5.59, but overall today they had 21.34% increase, which I think is fantastic for the company overall. Background information on them. One thing that I thought was interesting from them as well, it says eBank International Incorporated. So this came out today. It is also a Chinese-based company. By the way, it's a blockchain technology company. In the global market today, announced the company expects to commerce public testing of its cryptocurrency exchange and officially launch the exchange in the first quarter of 2021. Currently, the company has completed the internal testing of its cryptocurrency exchange. So they're basically going to be announcing a cryptocurrency exchange that they're going to launch in the first quarter of 2021. So it's coming up pretty soon. So I'm going to be looking for more updates for that, probably in around the mid or end of January. So I'm definitely excited to see, what new things they have going for that. Also, the cryptocurrency space being on fire at the current moment. Definitely going to be looking for more growth from this company. Next, we have ticker sign BNGO, which I know some of you have been able to execute. I called this one a while ago, but I know some people have commented and said, hey, I'll gain money from that, which I think is fantastic. If you're able to execute money on that or get some profits from that, it makes me all the happier. That's the point of the videos, and I'm excited to hear you guys making money out there. So it did touch $3.46. It is currently at $3.02 and climbing at the time of the video. Today it went up 44.23 or 29%, and it's still climbing even more as this video is going on. So depending on when you watch the video, the price will be different, but just bear that in mind. Background information on them. Yesterday they announced that they had a 180-day extension by NASDAQ compliance from NASDAQ to regain compliance with bid rule. So this rule basically granted the company an additional 180 days compliance, or until June 28, 2021, to regain compliance with the minimum $1 closing bid per price share. So basically they have to have, it says if any time during the compliance period the closing price of the company's common stock is at least $1 per share for a minimum of 10 consecutive business days, NASDAQ will provide written confirmation of compliance, and the matter will be closed. So they basically have to be above $1, which I don't think they're struggling with at the current moment, being at $3 where they currently are at. So it's good news for the company as a whole. I think they will continue to grow. I think what they do is pretty interesting technology from the pharmaceutical side. So I encourage everybody to go look into the stock to see what they do. So last on here, we have ticker sign GEVO, which has been on kind of a roller coaster ride. They did touch 515. This was on the 29th. So the 29th, they're at 515. Today, they're at 427, which is not too far from that. They are bullish at the time of this video, denoted by this moving average 10 line being above moving average 50 and 100, which is yellow and purple line. But VWAP, seems to be below moving average 10. It crossed again this moving average 10 line. So I think it has the potential to continue to go up. Background information on them. This is just the old news from the last time I reviewed it. It's the same news that they acquired 239 acres of land in Preston, South Dakota, which have met the initial milestone of secure control of the site by the end of the year and meets conditions required by the contract of Trifigura. I hope I'm saying that right. Trading LLC and GEVO executed, or GEVO, however you would pronounce that, in August 2020. And then it says the production facility plan for Lake Preston is contemplated to produce approximately or about 45 million gallons per year collectively of jet fuel and renewable gasoline products. So 45 million gallons is quite a bit. And I'm definitely interested to see how they grow this section of the business and how this acquisition will help the company to grow. So those are the stocks. On penny stocks, we got ticker sign HOTH, CANEBON, BNGO, and GEVO. Drop a comment, tell me which stocks you guys are looking at for this week. Hope everybody has a good new year. Hopefully everybody starts off positive, able to lock in some profits. That's always good. If you're able to lock in profits, or if you don't lock in profits and you have some stocks you want me to review, make sure you drop them down below in the comment section. I try to read all those comments and try to incorporate them into the videos as well. Also, if you'd like to join in a private group and become an official Marauder, make sure you check out the link down below in the description as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.